Hi, Doug. This is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over a few helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the home page, and your page is at 366 words. So we definitely want to get more content added. Another great tip is having your images named as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at A1 Performance Drywall and Painting. They are #1 organically for drywall contractors, Oklahoma City. They have 385 words on their homepage, but they do have their images named as keywords. So two great ways to get ahead of them is adding more keyword-enriched content and having your images named as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, our power flow, our backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 13 and 13 out of 100. Currently, your website does not have any backlinks, so you're getting your trust and your power directly from Google. Your website currently has 0 keywords, which isn't bringing anybody to your website every month. This is A1 Performance. They're sitting at an 11 trust and a 0.2 power. They're getting that trust and that power from these 139 backlinks. Now we can actually go in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 20 keywords, which is only bringing 2 people to their website every month. The last thing we're going to talk about are citations. A citation is any time your business name, phone number, or address are listed on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 18 citations. These contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get, they're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.